Do you want to make an ultra-realistic, transparent, talking ghibli avatar, which you can move anywhere like this and can also bend left to right? Then this video is for you. First of all, I need a picture of an anime character. So I opened ChatGPT and gave a prompt to create a ghibli anime character picture. I will add the prompt in my description. And finally, waiting a few minutes, ChatGPT creates this picture. But here, I only need the anime character, not the background. So I will remove the background. Here I am going to use Photoshop, but you can use another tool. In Photoshop, click on File, then New, then select Background as Transparent. Now I'm going to drag the photo in Photoshop. Now click on the Quick Selection tool. Then select only the total character. Now right-click and select Inverse. Now click on the Background Eraser tool. And Remove the background. Make sure all parts of the photo are removed clearly and only the anime character remains here. To check if I clean all the unnecessary parts, I will put another photo below that photo. Let me remove some unnecessary part very clearly. It's important because if you don't remove unwanted objects, your video will look worse. Now as you see, there is a line around the mouth. I need to remove it. So click on the brush tool here. Click on the color layer, click the color picker to the face of the character. Now carefully brush over the mouth black line so it totally disappears. Now click on the image and select Adjustments. Here click on Saturation. I am going to increase the saturation so it looks very nice. Now only one thing left, and that is Export. Click on the file. Here select Export. Select Quick Export as PNG. I write the file name Transparent AI, and we are done with Photoshop here. Now go to your browser and search DaVinci Resolve. Click on the first link. Here click on the free download now. No need for paid version. Here select DaVinci Resolve, not DaVinci Resolve Studio. I am Windows user. I will select Windows 86. Now feel the details. They are just silly things. Nothing serious. Once you fill up the form, click Register and Download. I have already downloaded and installed DaVinci Resolve. So when you first time open DaVinci Resolve, it will show something like that. Don't panic. I am with you to teach everything. As you see some project, right-click on the first project and click Save As. I am going to name it Transparent Talking Avatar. When you open that project, it kind of looks like this, and this is Edit Segment. Now I will drag that photoshopped transparent picture to Edit Segment. And in your video, one track, it's showing the photo. Now I will add a talking green screen video above my previous track. I will give the link of that talking video in my description. Let's play the video. So here, I need to remove the green background. Click on that mouth video and go to Fusion page. Here press Ctrl plus space together and search for Delta Keyer. Add it here. On the right side, click on the background color. Choose the background color as green. And boom, the green screen is removed. Now go to Edit page. And here you can see the talking mouth. Funny, haha. Now I have to adjust the mouth with anime face. It's look weird with face. So I will rotate the mouth 180 degrees. Now it looks good. I also notice there is a black line with that mouth. So I will remove it. To remove the black line, I will use cropping. I am cropping from button until the black line disappears. Now it looks wonderful. But still, it's not aligned with the face of my character. So I will go to Fusion page and search Image Plane 3D. And add it. Now click on that small dot of Image Plane 3D1. And here is our 3D views of the mouth video. Then go to Transform. And in the rotation segment, I will decrease some value of Y so it will perfectly align with my anime character's face. Now go to Edit page and check is it perfectly matches with the face or not. I came to the Fusion page again, and I need to decrease some value of Y so it looked good. Look like it's okay at that time. Again, go to Fusion page and search Transform 3D. And add it. Search Renderer 3D and add it. Here, select Renderer type, Hardware Renderer, and go to Edit page, and look how incredible it looks. Amazing, right? Now go to Export segment. Attention! Export settings are very important. We have to export that file as transparent. Select Export Format as QuickTime. Select Codec as GoPro Cineform. And select type as RGB 16-bit. Below there, check the option Export Alpha. Select Quality Best. And finally click on Add to Render Queue. I will give the name as Transparent AI Avatar. Now here click Render All. This is just rendering avatar with mouth, but I still have to add bend effect. Just wait a few seconds here. Now I will again open DaVinci Resolve to make a bending effect. Herein open a new project. I will name it Bending Avatar. Now add the previous export file in Edit section. This video is totally transparent. Let me show you. I put a green picture below that video, and as you can see, our anime character is totally transparent. You can move the character wherever you want. Feel incredible, right? Okay, I am gonna delete the green picture from below. Now select the anime video and go to Fusion page. Here search Grid Wrap and add here. Now you see some green grid on my video. Now click on the red line and drag it to 0 frame. Then click on that key and make it red. Now click on the red line and forward a few frames, like I will go to 60 frames. Now look at the grid. Click on that GURD crosspoint and move few points left. As you can see, your character is start bending. First, I am gonna bend the head of the anime few points left. Don't bend too much. Then I will bend its body too, so it will look very realistic. Bend its jacket and legs too. Now if I go to 0 frame and start play, then you can see a nice bending animation. Adjust the frame with your own choice and creativity. Now I will go forward from 60 to 180 frames. That time, I will bend the character in the right direction. Again, same way, carefully move those GURD points from left to right. Duplicate the same process after few frame with your own unique style. In this way, you can make a left to right and vice versa bending animation. And now, go to the Edit page. And here you can see our anime is moving from left to right and vice versa. And that looks incredible and super realistic, doesn't it? Now only one thing left is Export. Go to Export page. Select Format as QuickTime. Select Codec as GoPro Cineform. And select Type RGB 16-bit. Check the Export Alpha. And click on Add to Render Queue. I will give its name Bending Avatar. Now just click on Render All. That's it. Now hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you get 0 views in shorts, then watch this video.